So I just want to find out that I can we work in a watercolor sheet. Okay, so I decided to use a chart paper. This is a 10 rupees of chart paper, and I just decided to do watercolor on this. I have used many sheets so far, like brushstroke, Canson, Italian sheet, German sheets, Chitrapad, and all. So I just want to find out that can we use a chart paper for a watercolor, work? How much I have to suffer and learn about water control as well. So as I use a dry on dry method, I just want to know how much water to apply, and I just have learned a little bit in this process of working on chart paper. And I think I just use a a lot of layers in this work, so that was disturbing me after I completed the entire work and all. And I will say that doing this kind of thing will can be improve my watercolor skills, because using high quality sheets and suddenly jumping in a very low quality sheet, or maybe it's not a sheet that is made for watercolor. So that was really a nice experience, I will say. And what else? I will love. Yes, I will love to do something like this again, but in a small scale. It was like A3 I worked in, and I will just next time if I do this, I will love to go for A4 first, then I will jump to A3, because I didn't have the patience to wait, to just wait for the water to dry up. And that was the one of the things that caused this work a lot. So yeah, it was fun, and I will say I learned a little bit. And let's do this kind of thing again, so I can have more fun like this.